So today session we will continue with exercise 12b, question number 9. I hope that you are all ready with graph books, okay? Because all these questions you have to do it in a graph book only, okay? So use the graph paper for this equation. Take 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit on both x and y axis. They mentioned the scale, so you have to take the same scale. Plot the following points. Okay, take the graph sheet. Take the graph sheet. Mention the coordinate axis x dash o x, y o y dash. So in your graph sheet you have to take 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Correct? 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So I cannot do all these things here. So I am doing to show you how we can do it in the graph sheet. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Okay. First question you observe. Plot the following points. First point A 0 and 4. X value 0, Y value 4. That means A will come here. A 0, 4. B 2, 3. X value 2, Y value 3. So it will come over here. 2, 3. 2, 3. C 1, 1. X C value 1, 1. 1, 1 means X value 1, Y value also 1. 1, 1. Next D 2, 0. X value 2, Y value 0. X value 2, Y value 0 means this is D 2, 0. So you have plotted the point. First question is over. Second question reflects the points B, C, D, not A. B, C, D on the y axis and write down their coordinates. So B, reflection on y axis. I told already what is the reflection on y axis? Minus x comma y. So B is what? 2 comma 3. That means minus 2 comma 3. Minus 2, 3. X value minus 2, y value 3. So it will come here. This is B dash. Minus 2, 3. So you have to mention here. Second. So B dash becomes minus 2, comma 3. You have to write down, they are saying. That means in examination also, you have to write down what is the coordinates of B when it is reflected in y axis. That you have to mention, not only in marking in the graph sheet. You have to write down that solution here in the answer sheet. Okay. Next, one more thing. C also they are saying. C means what? Minus 1, 1. So it will come here. C minus 1, 1. Next, D also they are saying, isn't it? D also you have to reflect. Minus 2, 0. Here it will come. D. D minus 2, 0. This is the second. Name the image of name the images as B, C, D dash as okay, we did. Third question. Join the points A, B, C, D. First you will join A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Okay. Afterwards D dash, C dash, B dash. D dash, D dash, C dash, B dash. Okay. Afterwards A. So you have to join to the A. So this is the figure. Okay. Now write down the equation of the line of symmetry on the given figure formed. Equation of the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry lies on the y-axis means what is the equation? This is a line of symmetry. That means divides the figure into two equal halves. Therefore, what is line of symmetry? They are asking us to write the line of the symmetry of the figure. Line of symmetry. Line of symmetry of the figure. Of the figure is nothing but what you have to write. You have to write, because it lies on y-axis, x is equal to 0. If it lies on x-axis, y is equal to 0. So this is the question number 9. So note down this question. Now we'll move on to the question number 10. We'll move on to question number 10. So you have to read the question before doing the sums. Okay? Question number 10. So what it says? Plot the points A 32 and B 54 on graph paper. So directly you take the graph sheet. Directly you take the graph sheet. Plot the points. This is x dash, origin x, y, o, y dash. So here they are not mentioned any scale over there, isn't it? So we can take our own scale. We can take 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit also, or 2 centimeter is equal to 1 unit also. It is your choice. Okay? If they mention scale, then you have to use the scale. Okay, this is our graph sheet. So what they are asking first question? Plot the points A 32, A x A 32, 3 x coordinates 3 y 2. So therefore it will come here. A 3 2. Next B 5 4, x value 5, y value 4. It will come here. It will come here. B 5 4. Okay. This is the first question. Reflect A and B in the x-axis. Reflect A and B in the x-axis. So x-axis means this is the reflection point. Reflection on x-axis is equal to x comma minus y. 3 comma minus 2. X value 3, y value minus 2. It will come here. Isn't it? This is A dash minus 2. B, x value 5, y value minus 4. It will come here. B dash 5 comma minus 4. Okay, this is the first. Plot A dash and B on same graph paper. Write the coordinates of A dash and B dash. So write the coordinates of A dash. A dash coordinates are 3 comma minus 2. B dash coordinates are 5 comma minus 4. Okay. Third, the geometrical name of the figure A, B, B dash, A dash. A, B, B dash. A, B, B dash. A, B, B dash, say join this also. This is nothing but, it is nothing but what we can say isosceles trapezium, because sides are equal. Isosceles trapezium. So what is the name? Third question, first one. Name the geometrical name of the figure ABB dash isosceles. Isosceles trapezium. Isosceles trapezium. Angle M. M angle ABB dash. A, B, B dash. This angle we have to find out. So you can measure the angle. So you will get using the protractor, you can get angle A, B, B dash. A, B, B dash is equal to 45 degree. Okay. Okay. Next, measure of angle A, B, B dash. Image of A double dash of A when reflected in the origin. So A when reflected in the origin, they are saying origin means minus x minus y. That means minus 3 minus 2. So this is reflection of A in the origin. Minus 3 minus 2. So reflection in the origin is A double dash minus 3 minus 2. That also I marked. The single transformation that maps A to A dash. A dash to A double dash. A dash to A double dash. So what is the single transformation? Single transformation from A dash to A double dash. So observe here 3 comma minus 2. If you reflect in y axis, what happens? Minus 3 minus 2. Correct? If you reflect in y axis, you will get, if you reflect this point in y axis, you will get minus 3 minus 2. That is nothing but, it is nothing but y axis. Reflection in y axis. Reflection in y axis. Okay? So remember this point. So note down this question. Okay? So if you reflect A dash in y axis, you will get A double dash. Reflection in y axis. So note down this. We move on to next question, question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11. 11. Points P and Q have coordinates. They are given the coordinates of point P 0, 5 and Q minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. First question. P is invariant when reflected in an axis. Name that axis. So P is invariant when reflected in one axis, that we don't know. Isn't it? Suppose if I take x axis, whether it is invariant or not, we will see. 0 as it is, minus 5 it becomes. Therefore, it is not invariant. If you take y axis, so if I take y axis, what happens? Y axis, reflected in y axis. See, minus x, that is nothing but 0 only, isn't it? 0, 5 and it is. So because with 0 no signs we can apply, therefore it is invariant under what? Y axis. So what is the answer? Y axis, it is invariant. Next, so therefore you can write P is invariant, no change. Invariant means no change. When P is invariant, when it is reflected in, y axis. Second, find the image of Q on the reflection in the axis found in 1. So what is the axis found in 1? So that means you have to reflect Q on y axis. So what happens? Y axis. So minus x, y. Minus here also minus. Therefore minus will be cancelled. 2, 4. So this is the second answer. OK on reflection in the origin is invariant. Write the value of OK. So OK 0, k, not OK. Reflection in origin. If it is reflected in origin, they are saying that it is invariant. So reflection in origin is invariant. So OK on reflection in the origin is invariant. They are given. That means same answer you are getting. Okay. Write the values of K. So write the values of K. So if it is reflected in the origin, what you should get? Minus x, minus y. That means 0, okay, no problem. 0, okay. But what you should get for k? We should get minus k. But what they are saying, if they are reflected in the origin, we are going to get, it is invariant point they are saying. 0, k. So therefore, LHS are equal, we can equal the RHS. 0, k is equal to 0, minus k, or k is equal to minus k. This implies k plus k, because I am transforming minus k to the LHS, it becomes plus, is equal to 0. This implies 2k is equal to 0. This implies k is equal to 0 by 2, that is nothing but 0. So this implies k is equal to 0. Correct? K is equal to 0. Value of k. Write the coordinates of an image of Q obtained by reflecting it in the origin, followed by reflection in the x-axis. So Q, so reflection of Q. So what is the Q point here? Minus 2, 4. Reflected in what they are saying? Reflection, reflecting it in the origin. So reflecting it in the origin. What happens? It becomes Q dash. So reflecting it in the origin is both are minus. So here already minus is there, 2, minus 4. Again followed by reflecting it in what they are saying? X-axis. So what happens? Q double dash. So reflecting it in the x-axis means x, minus 5. So x value will be same. It becomes 4. So 2, 4. So it becomes 2, 4. So first we have to reflect in the origin. Same thing. What we reflect in the origin, reflected in the x-axis. You will get final answer 2, 4. So this is the answer for, I think here no need of graph sheet. Okay, you can write in the right side of the graph book. Right side lines will be there. No? There you can write this question. So today I will end this session with this question number 11. In the next session I will start with the question number 12. Okay, thank you.